Steeped in history, Area Code 347 threads together a tapestry of New York City boroughs: Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island, and the Bronx. Each dial of the 347 area code connects to an explosion of cultures, languages, and stories that reside in the heart of New York City's neighborhoods. Pulsing through these streets, the 347 area code fuels the lifeblood of communication, connecting voices from around the world, from diverse backgrounds and experiences. From small businesses to bustling households, Area Code 347 is more than a number, it's a symbol of the city's relentless vibrancy and resilience. So next time you dial A347, remember, you're not just making a call, you're stepping into an intricate web of New York City's life and culture. In the tale of New York City's area codes, 347 remains an unsung hero, quietly bridging gaps and connecting souls in this ever-evolving metropolis. Teloz, your business, connected.